on how to create or how to get Spotify account. So after typing in your password and your phone number, here is where you are going to be. So you have to, as you can see, you have to type in with the first option, or with the first process. We were into account info. We are done with that, and with the verification we are also done with that. That's where you are going to get some digits to verify your account, on your phone number or your cell number that you're using. And we are in the last option. You can see that it have been ticked over here, and the last option, what you have to do is to type in our personal info. So if you want to confirm your personal info, what you have to do is to first of all type your first name over here, type your last name over here, then you your country is automatically going to be chose, because it has been coded in the app or in the software. After that, you are going to see date of birth. Do you get me? So you have to type in your date of birth over here. So if you have a Ghana card or any card, you can use your voter ID or drive. So I think the Ghana card is the best. So this is where you're going to type in your Ghana card code over here. Then after that, you confirm your email. So then after that, your residential address. You can use a place. You can use your house number, or maybe your company number, or any your business number, or any blog number to use as your residential address. So that's how it is. It's very, very simple. And after doing this, you are done. So that's the last option, as you can see over here, the personal info. So that's the last option. After that, you're done, guys. So guys, you have to note this. It says what? If you have any issue, please contact customer service. So when you tap over here, it's going to send you to their customer service for you to get them in touch. You're going to chat to them, maybe when your account has been hacked, or you're having any problem with them. This is what you have to do, and you're going to get your problem solved, because they own the platform. So it's very, very easy. So guys, what you have to do is just type in your name. Let me type in my name over here. I don't know the reason why this thing is not appearing. Okay. Okay, so let me choose the date of birth. So I'm just choosing any random date of birth. Okay, so this. Okay, so I'm just choosing any date of birth. 19. Let me do it 2000, because I'm not old. Okay, check. So after that, then the name. I don't know why this option is the name is obtained from your mobile provider. Okay, it says the name is obtained from your mobile provider. So which means automatically the number that you are going to use in the previous account info, when you are trying to create an account, and the verification, the number they are going to ask you, that's where you are going to see the number, the name on that SIM card or on that cell card. I mean, that number, that's the name that they are going to use to create the account for you. Do you get me? So it's going to be provided automatically. After that, you just have to choose the date of birth. Then after that, you link your Ghana card to it. But I don't have my Ghana card right now over here, so this option is going to be very difficult, because it says please enter a valid full ID number. So I'm going to do this in my next streaming. I'm going to use this in my next streaming, so that you guys will get to know how it is. So thank you very much for watching, because I don't have my Ghana card with me right now. I'm at somewhere, so I'm going to provide this in my next stream. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. And as I told you, you have to always remember that you don't have to tell people that I have a problem, so fix it, do this. No, you just have to contact them over here. So whenever you open the app, you have the customer service over here. That's where you will be able to just get in touch with them. That's the perfect way, because they own the platform. You get me? You're going to get them one-on-one. So thank